This tutorial introduces how to use the SimStudent program with Stacy. This is Stacy. You are the tutor and your goal is to help Stacy learn so that she can pass her algebra quiz. You will make up the problems for Stacy to do. Let's do a problem to show how the program works. 3x equals 9. You type it into the open equation cells so Stacy can work on it. Then Stacy asks if she should do the problem as you typed it. When you have the problem typed in the way you want it, click yes, and she'll start working. You can tell she's thinking when the yellow box appears. When she thinks she knows what to do, Stacy types it in and asks you if she's right. She'll ask, "Do you think that would be a good move?" She suggests divide 3, meaning divide both sides by 3. Click yes to tell her she is right. Then she fills in each side of the equation on the next row down and asks about those two. When she thinks she has the answer, Stacy suggests that the problem is solved. There is no more work to do on this problem, so click yes to tell Stacy she is right and the problem is complete. To give Stacy another problem, click Tutor Stacy Next Problem. Then you type in another problem. Let's try 4x minus 3 equals 5. This time Stacy makes a mistake. She tries to divide before she has moved the constant term. Click no when she's wrong and she will try again. If she doesn't know what else to try, Stacy asks you to show her what to do next. To show Stacy, just type in the next step, add 3, and hit enter. If she can, Stacy uses your hint to figure out both sides of the equation. If she still needs more help, you can type in the left and then possibly the right side on the next row down. The next time she sees something similar, she should know what to do from your hints. Stacy may also need your help to know when she is done with a problem. If she asks for help on a completed problem, click the Problem is Solved button to tell her that she has the solution. If you make a mistake, you can tell Stacy to erase that step. Click the Erase Last Step button. You can use this button anytime Stacy isn't working or isn't asking you a question. Stacy will show you which step she will erase to see if you are sure. If you click No, she will go back to the problem as it was. Click Yes to tell her to erase it, and then you can type something else instead. You can erase as many steps as you want back to the beginning of the problem. You can also click the Restart Problem button to start it over from the beginning. If you get stuck, you can look at the examples. Just click on any example tab at the top. There will be a filled-in example with an explanation from Stacy's teacher, Mrs. Smith. While you are looking at an example, Stacy will be waiting in the Stacy tab. Stacy can also ask you to explain things. Some explanation questions have drop-down choices. Click on the drop-down button to see the options. Click on the option you think is best. If it doesn't say quite what you want, you can still edit it after you select it. Once your explanation is ready, click the Submit button to submit it. Some explanation questions have no choices to pick from. Just type in an explanation in your own words and click Submit when you are done. You can see how much Stacy has learned by clicking the Quiz Stacy button to give her a quiz. It takes a bit of time for Stacy to complete her quiz, and you can't help her while she's working on it, but you can watch to see what different things she tries. Whenever Stacy finishes her quiz, the results show up in the quiz window. Stacy's correct steps are shown in green and incorrect steps are red. Stacy's score on her quiz shows at the bottom. Each problem is right if she has a green done at the end. Stacy only takes one section of the quiz at a time. If she gets 100% on a section, she will take the next section the next time you click the quiz button. If she gets a problem wrong, she will be given the same section again until she gets it right. You can look back to see how Stacy did on previous attempts at sections. Click the Trial or Section tabs at the top. When she gets 100% on a section, that tab will say Section Complete. Your goal is for Stacy to eventually get 100% correct on her overall quiz score. The overall score that you see includes sections she already passed and ones she hasn't taken yet, too. Stacy's overall score shows at the bottom under the section score and in the top progress bar. You can quiz Stacy as many times as you want, so don't worry if she gets problems wrong. Just look at what Stacy makes mistakes on so that you can help her learn how to do those things correctly. When Stacy gets her overall score to 100% correct, she has passed all of the quiz sections and you've met your goal.